The name of our company is All Bikes Japan, and I will present briefly the company, the targets, and what we're planning to do. So a little bit about us. So our goal is to promote eco solutions for society using micromobility infrastructure solutions. So in other words, we would like to encourage people to and to have our environment eco-friendly, and therefore we are promoting our product, which you can see on the right side, which is the public repair station for micromobility, mainly for bicycles and other micromobility elements. We are exclusive distributors of this the public repair station in Japan. Our target is to have business opportunities and business collaboration in Japan. About the public repair station. So the public repair station, which we call it as an acronym PRS, is a tool set for micromobility self-repairment. You can see it on the right side as well. The PRS has been widely used in 19 countries, mainly in Europe, with total more than 11,000 units installed already and used all over Europe and all over Israel. And we already started some installations in Japan. The PRS is developed and manufactured by iBombo Ltd, which is a Polish company, and it is equipped with the tools used in cars and aviation industry, which means that it's very high-end and high-quality tools and materials to manufacture this product. So here we can see some of our models. So here we can see the models of the PRS. So actually we have 6 models. So first on the left, starting from the left, we have the PRS LV2. This is the biggest in the size. It's the biggest model. We can see on this model, we can see the air pump on the right side and housing for a set of tools to repair the bicycles. And on top of it, we can see some location bars to hook the bicycles or other micromobility equipment. On the right, to the PRS LV2, we have the Scandic, which is our bestseller product, and it is it's very similar but a bit smaller. And here we don't see, but we have a model that comes with a door that is protecting and closing the housing of the tool set. And of course, we have the air pump on the right. Next one is PRS SV1. We have 2 types of models. One is with pump only, without any tool set. And the other one is with a tool set. And it is the smallest model. Next one is PRS SV20, which is similar to SV1, except that we can see the pockets, 2 pockets on each side that contains the tool set. And we can see on the front of this PRS, we call it bike rack. So bicycle user can dock their bicycles with the wheel, and they can repair or inflate the tires of the bicycle. Next one is Akvo and Hoko. Akvo is used to for cleaning and washing. It's a washing and cleaning set of tools in order to wash and clean the micromobility, mainly the bicycles. Last one and not least is the Hoko, which is similar to the other tool sets. But in case of if we have where lack of space, so it is possible to put it on the what to install it on walls. And of course, it is only a set of tools without air pump. So about the PRS, we can see, sorry, just a moment. Yeah. So we can see here the targets of our market. So we aim to municipal authorities, which we already started with to install. Currently, we have Takahashi City, and also we have in Kyoto City also, and in Sera, which is also in the inland of Japan. So we already installed, and so we aim it for municipal authorities, parking lot companies, railway companies, hotels network, building maintenance company, environment designer, and building architectures, and sharing economy services. Okay. So the target location for the PRS is, sorry, just a moment. Yeah. So cycling, mainly cycling routes, shopping centers and large area stores, bicycle parking lots, university campuses and schools, train and underground stations, office buildings and workplaces, gas stations, swimming pools and fitness places, restaurants and cafes, bicycle services and stores, hospitals and clinics. So here is a map of the public repair station, the layout of and the installation of the PRS. As you can see, it's all over Europe and in Israel as well, and Japan. Oh, sorry. Yeah. So customer usage, we can see here it is exported to 38 plus countries, and we already install. It is already installed all over, as I mentioned, all over Europe, Israel, and Japan, and over 11,000 units worldwide. Here is some of our customers, or some of the customers using this product. IKEA, McDonald's, Decathlon, and variety of customers mainly in Europe. I will skip this one. Okay, thank you very much.